with Herculist at the top. And basically what I wanted to do is come on and just share one of the ways that I advertise my business online. And so I use this site called Herculist. What is it? It is a safe list. What does that mean? That means that people opt in through their own, volition, regard, whatever, into this list. So people want to be on this list. These are typically people who are in the business opportunity space. And you can create an account. You can do that for free, okay, for free. And there are several different levels within Herculist. There is the free level, okay, and what does that allow you to do? It allows you to advertise to 1,000 people on this list every 48 hours. So currently in the Herculist list, there are over 78,000 members. Okay, folks, that is a ton of people, a lot of people, okay? Now, as I mentioned, you can do the free option. There are also two other options. There is the pro member option, okay, that allows you to post every 48 hours to all 78,000 members. That's very powerful, all right? Right now, they have a special going on. It looks like here it is $24.98 to join. Then you can do the gold membership. Well, let me just tell you, I am a gold member, and I am a gold member because I can advertise my opportunity every day, every 24 hours. And I really like that. Of course, the more eyes that you get on your business, the better. Now, they have a special going on. It is $44.98 to join. So let me just show you a little bit. When you first come into Herculist, they'll have one of the members' opportunities right here being advertised, okay? If you're interested, you could look at it, put in your information, get more info about it. If you're not, you could just go on to the membership site. Now, as you come onto the site, right, they have blurbs, what they call Hercule blurbs, on the side, all right? So these are displayed a little bit more prominently on their website. And these are various business opportunities, okay? Let's just click on one here. Okay, and so this takes us, I don't want to go through this, but this takes us to someone's opportunity. And if we were interested in it, we could join it. We could join it, just that simple. So it is a great way to advertise your business. Now for me, you can email the entire database. You can see here, email database every day. I can do this every day, 24 hours, because I am a gold member. So you simply come here. Most times I have myself already pre-written out, and I just copy and paste my little ad into here. All right. You can play with the fonts, the type of font, the size of the font. You can do various things, change the color of the font. It's all up to you. What you like to do. You can include a link in your ad, whatever you feel will be best to get, of course, what you're driving for. Sales, sales, sales. So Herculist is a phenomenal way to get your message out. Now, here are some other ads that people have put together, right? You can see these are the most recent ones, the last 10 Pro and Gold member ads. So that's another feature. If you're a Pro member, which means you can mail email the list every 48 hours, or a gold member, which means you can email the list every 24 hours, your ad will appear here, okay? So these are the last 10 ads. So, they got various ones here. Are you interested in getting paid members? Explosive traffic at affordable prices. The video that broke the internet, and you click on it, it's going to take you to someone's ad. In addition, for Herculist, they have, of course, add-ons that you could do. So you could do sold ads to this particular group of people. Then they have people who have bought before from this email list, and you could do a targeted ad to them. All right. So this is a phenomenal tool to have in your arsenal. I utilize it daily to get my business in front of people. And as I said, there are over 78,000 people on this list. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you're interested in Herculist, what I can do, I can share my link with you. That's the other thing that I want to tell you is not only can you advertise your business here, but you can also make money, okay? You can make money by referring Herculist to other people who might be find this as a valuable tool to use in their arsenal of marketing their product or service online, okay? So I hope this has given some value to you guys. I hope that you will look at this as an opportunity to promote your business. You can get in where you fit in. There is the free option, okay, where you can email 1,000 of their members. There are the pro and the gold options where you could do it every 48 hours to the entire list or every day to the entire list. It just depends on where you are and what your budget is. But I think I saw the price that they have a special going on to be able to email a list of 78,000 people for $24 or 40-something a year. That's for a year, not a monthly. That is phenomenal, okay? So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope I brought value to you. If you have found this valuable, please drop a 1 in the comments section, and also share this out with others. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time, and take care.